didn't set out to be like, okay, I'm gonna create something that's gonna be worth $1 billion. I was more like, I wanna create something that's gonna make my friends laugh.
Want to start a business? First, you need an idea.
I get that toothpaste is a really weird thing to get super passionate about, but I just wanted to solve a problem.
95% of people in prisons are coming home one day. We want to see people stay out.
But it's not all roses. It takes grit to turn your first profit.
I have jammed my finger in this machine so many times, backed up on orders, and I look back at it and I'm like, those were the best times.
We would bring it out to the flying area, screw it on, and then just kind of run away.
The minute those rotors started to spin, just felt my whole body anticipating what was going to come next.
They thought I was crazy, it's stupid, it's not gonna work. The first time we launched it, it didn't work, actually.
That's the entrepreneurial journey. It's all for the hope that maybe one day this will turn into something that is huge.
If I can create a multi-million-dollar business out of renegade museum tours, you can probably create a company based on one of your wildest ideas.
Say you do turn that wild idea into a business. How much profit would you need to pay your basic living expenses, like rent and ramen? This is a show on the economics of entrepreneurship and founders turning their dreams into reality. This is Ramen Profitable.